I'm so excited to take you on this incredible journey back to the beginning. Have you ever wondered how everything began? Not just the world, but people, love, choices, and even temptation? Let's go, you guys. We're about to dive into the most epic origin story ever, the tale of Adam and Eve. Alright, check this out. In the very beginning, God created the heavens and the earth. We're talking next-level creation here. The sun, moon, oceans, mountains, and every living creature. But hold up, the most special part of creation was humankind. Are you kidding me? God formed a man from the dust of the ground. He named him Adam. Then boom, God breathed life into him and Adam came alive. That's what I'm talking about. God placed Adam in this insane paradise called the Garden of Eden. You guys, imagine the most perfect place you've ever seen. Lush trees, vibrant flowers, gentle rivers, and animals living in peace. But God noticed something. Adam was alone. So God had this brilliant idea. He caused Adam to fall into a deep sleep and made a woman, Eve. When Adam saw her, he was like, whoa! They laughed, explored, and took care of the garden together. It was a life of harmony and joy. Now here's where things get crazy. God gave them only one rule. You may eat from any tree in the garden, but not from the tree of the knowledge of good and evil. One rule, one boundary. Everything else was freely theirs. For a while, everything was perfect. Adam and Eve walked with God in the garden. But lurking in the garden was something else. Something cunning. Something dangerous. One day, while Eve was alone near the forbidden tree, a serpent approached her.
Did God really say you must not eat from any tree in the garden?
We can eat from any tree except the one in the middle.
Eve looked at the tree again. Its fruit looked so good. So she reached out, picked the fruit, and took a bite. Then she gave some to Adam, and he ate it too. And just like that, everything changed. Their eyes were opened. For the first time, they realized they were naked. Shame and fear crept in. They quickly covered themselves. Later, they heard God walking through the garden and hid.
Adam, where are you?
I was afraid because I was naked, so I hid.
God was heartbroken. Not because they broke a rule, but because something beautiful had been broken. Their trust, their innocence, their closeness with him. But even in this painful moment, God showed love. He made clothes for Adam and Eve from animal skins. He cared for them, even as he sent them away from Eden. This is going to be epic, you guys. The story of Adam and Eve is about all of us. We've all faced choices. We've all been tempted to do things we know are wrong. And just like Adam and Eve, we sometimes try to hide our mistakes. So what can we take away from Adam and Eve's story? That we are created on purpose with love. That our choices shape our lives. And that even when we fail, God's love and mercy are still available to us. No matter who you are, where you've been, or what you've done, your story isn't over. There's always a path back to love, back to grace, back to purpose. That's what I'm talking about. We hope you enjoyed the story of Adam and Eve. Please remember to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel Throne and Kingdom for more inspiring stories from the Bible. Thank you for watching.